Hi students, today's topic is multiplexer. Multiplexer is a very important combinational logic circuit. It receives binary information from one of 2 to the power n input data lines and directs it to a single output line. The selection of a particular input data line for the output is determined by a set of selection inputs. So, it selects only one input among several inputs based on selection line. So, a 2 to the power n to 1 multiplexer has 2 to the power n input data lines and n input selection lines. This is the basic data diagram of a multiplexer. This picture shows the 2 to the power n into 1 multiplexer, which is abbreviated as MUX. This picture displays that it accepts I0 to I to the power n minus 1 input lines and outputs only one, that is y, and it has the selection line is 0 to s to the power n. So the selection line selects the which data comes to the output. We count the selection lines by 2 to the power n the formulas, which is the value of n, that is the number of selection lines. Next, we discussed about 2 to 1 MUX. 2 to 1 MUX have 2 input lines and 1 selection line and 1 output lines. The input lines are I0 and I1 and the output is Y. A selection line is S. From this we make the truth table. Truth table is basically dependent on the selection line. So, input is selection line and output is Y. When the value of select line is 0, then we get the output I0, and when it is 1, then we get I1. From the truth table, we can get the function of y, s complements, that is s bar. When s equal to 0, then we get I0, and other condition is when s equal to 1, we get the data I1. So that is the function. From this function, we can make easily the 2 to 1 MUX circuit. First we take two select lines, one select lines and its complements, that is NOT gate, S bar, and 2 data lines, I0 and I1. First condition, S bar and I0 that is S bar I0. Second condition is S, the value of S equal to 1 and the data lines is I1. Then we use a AND gate to get the data, and finally a OR gate. By OR gate we find the value of y. So this is the circuit of 2 to 1 marks, which is very simple. So multiplexer is also called a digital switch. It is a data selector by which we can select any data at a time. For a marks, there can be 2 to the power n inputs and n selection line and only one output. So that is the 2 to 1 marks. Next we discuss about 4 to 1 marks. In 4 to 1 marks, first we draw the block diagram. It has 4 inputs, that is I0, I1, I2, I3, and one output. Selection, how we calculate the selection line? We know if 2 to the power n input, then the selection line will be n. So here 2 to the power n equal to 4, which is 2 square. So n equal to 2. So the select lines is 2 selection lines, S0 and S1. That is the block diagram of 4 to 1 marks. Then we make the truth table. In the truth table, we have to consider the selection line, that is S1 and S0, and the output is Y. As the input lines is 4, so data is 2 to the power 2 square, 4 combination 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. When S1 and S0 both are negative, then we get output I0. If S1 0 and S0 1, then we get I1. When S1 is 1 and S0 is equal to 0, then we get the data I2. And when both S1 and S0 select lines are on, then we get it selects I3 data line. So this is the truth table. From this easily we can write the function y equal to S1 bar S0 bar as it complements. Then we get the data I0, S1 bar S0 1, then we get the value I1. Third combination is S1 1 S0 0, that is bar, we get I2, and the last is S1 and S0 both are true, we get I3. So that is the function. Next we draw the logic circuit, that is very important. First we take the select lines S1, S0. For the complement of S1 and S0, we take the NOT gate. Then we take the data lines I0, I1, I2, I3. So first is S1 when both S1 and S0 are negative, 0. S1 0, S0 bar, then we get the data I0. By AND gate we get the function S1 bar, S0 bar, I0. Next we take S1 bar and S0 1, then we get I1. S1 bar, S0, I1. Third it selects the data I2 when S1 1 and S0 bar. We get I2. Last is I3 when S1 and S0 both are 1. You draw the circuit very carefully. Finally, we take a OR gate to